If you want to check that your video is loud enough in DaVinci Resolve, this is really easy to do. This is a video I'm editing for my landscape photography channel. I'll put a link to that in the description. Click on Fairlight at the bottom, come up to the timeline menu, come down to audio and choose bounce mix to track. For the destination track, select a new track. This is going to add a new audio track and click OK. DaVinci Resolve is now going to go through your timeline and render all of the audio in all of the tracks to a single audio file. And we're almost done. Now we've got this new audio file on this new track, Audio 5. Right click on this new clip, choose Clip Operations and choose Analyze Audio Levels. And you can choose the loudness standard you want to check. If you're delivering to YouTube, you can select YouTube and click Analyze. These presets will set what you should have for true peak and integrated loudness. You can see both of these are yellow, which means we're in the right area and our video is probably loud enough for YouTube. Once you've finished checking, you can right click on this new audio track and choose Delete Track and choose Yes. Make sure that you do delete that extra audio track or you'll be doubling up all of the audio in your video and it will sound terrible and too loud. Let me show you what this looks like if things are too loud. I'm going to pump up the bus 1 output to maximum +10 and we'll go back to audio and bounce the mix to a new audio track again. Wait for that to finish and choose Analyze Audio Levels again. This time you can see these values are red, which means we're too loud for delivering to YouTube. If your video is too quiet, you're going to see big negative numbers here and these values in green. So the big question is, what do you do if your video is too loud or too quiet for your destination, such as YouTube? The answer is to make your videos sound better than 95% of other videos by watching this epic 4-hour free training tutorial on YouTube. I know that sounds a lot, but if you're serious about getting the absolute best audio quality and the best loudness levels for your videos, I highly recommend you check out that video. Please subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. I'm Jason Roberts. This is DaVinci Dojo, and I'll see you in the next one.